Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Spark Driver app. So let's get started. So here let's search for the Spark Driver. So here we have Spark Driver app. So we'll just open it. Okay. So basically this app is provided by Walmart. So to log in, you have to put your Walmart ID and just log in and you can use it. So basically this app is made for like the tools that to use in but is provided by the Walmart and you can use and you can put it. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.